This church belongs to Malankara Orthodox Church. Malankara Orthodox Church is an ancient one. It is established in the 1st century AD itself. The disciple of Jesus Christ, St. Thomas, came to India and established 7 churches and ordained priests from Kerala, from the Brahmin families. We, the people of Orthodox Christians, spread all over in the world. This church has the head office is at Kottayam, Kerala. The head of the church is His Holiness Basilios Marthoma Paulus II. This church belongs to Bangalore Diocese of Malankara Orthodox Church. The diocesan bishop is His Grace Dr. Abraham Mar Seraphim. I and the church belongs to under the jurisdiction of Bangalore Diocese and the Metropolitan. On this festive occasion, I, on behalf of St. Andrew's Orthodox Church, extends a blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Christmas is defined itself is a love of God. The 3 types of love. The Christmas is the first one, the descending love of Jesus Christ. That is, Jesus Christ came to this world. The second one is the ascending love of Jesus Christ is Christmas. The third one is the elevating love of Jesus Christ, that is Christmas. The real meaning and essence of Christmas is love and self-sacrifice is the real meaning of Christmas. Jesus Christ forfeited His divine position and came down to the earth, live among us. We have a big role model as we live according to the life of Jesus Christ. On this festive occasion, I again extend a warm greetings of Christmas to all over the world, and especially those who watch this media. This season, we humble ourselves before God because we receive the great gifts which we have received from God Almighty. So we submit ourselves before God and live according to the commandments of Jesus Christ, and we have a role model to all of them. To extend our concern to the poor, needy, downtrodden, and give a helping hand to the needy. That is the gift we extend to the as a gift to Christmas. And this season, I again wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God Almighty shower all Thy blessings upon the world, and especially those who suffered a lot, the misery and diseases and mental tension and so on. And moreover, I pray to God Almighty for the world peace and this state, Andhra Pradesh, and the governments and the rulers and those who labored a lot for the state and the country and the nations. God bless you. Once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We are very much grateful to these media persons and those who come here and take my humble words.